Hi, Jamie Davis, the Podmedic here at EMS World Expo 2014. We're in Nashville, Tennessee. It's a great time here, and one of the things I like to do is get around and talk to some of the exhibitors because there's so many things going on at this conference. It's hard to really touch on everything. And I thought I'd talk to actually one of our sponsors. We've been working with Aladtec alongside them for a long time. Really love their complete management and scheduling system that really helps EMS users, both the end user and the management people, keep track of what's going on. And I just love Aladtec. Thanks for all your support for what we do.
Oh, no problem at all. Our pleasure.
Now, Chad, what's your last name?
Clay.
Clay. I should remember that. Chad, what's the exhibit hall and the traffic and the feel for the conference been like so far for you guys?
It's been pretty good. It's been pretty busy, been a pretty constant pace of people coming through, so that's been pretty fun. Yeah, just been pretty swamped, so it's great.
What have people been asking about the most when they come up to the table and ask you about, what kind of management tools do you have?
Sure. What's interesting is I'd say the majority of people who have stopped have been current customers. And it's funny, they say, I want to thank you. And it feels kind of weird because well, I should be thanking you because you're buying my product. But they say thank you. And one thing I keep hearing over and over is you guys have the best support. We call and someone actually answers the phone. I really appreciate that. So that's been really fun. The people who don't use our system come up, and oftentimes we'll have a current customer here and they'll actually do more of the selling for us than I have to. So that's kind of fun. But yeah, I think people come up and they just ask, how does your system work? Is it easy to use? Right now I'm using spreadsheets or I'm using like a piece of paper. What can this do? How much time can this save? So, typically I say, a lot of people tell me that they spend 8 hours or so a week on the schedule or on scheduling. And a lot of our customers have told us that our system helps reduce it down to about 1 hour. So it saves them a lot of time. The employees really like it because they can log in on their cell phones, check their schedule, they can do their trades, they can do their time off requests. But yeah, it's been a really fun show. So.
And that's amazing because you think about that, that's almost a full week a month that a manager gets back by using your product.
Yeah, and a lot of places have multiple managers doing the schedule for different divisions, so they can save everybody a lot of time. Yeah.
It's you guys have some of the most loyal customers. It's one of the things I've been really learned and makes me even happier to be associated with you because a happy customer means that you guys are really doing the job right and saving us time to do what we need to do, which is get out and help people. Now, I know you guys have some new things you've added, a forms feature?
Yeah, so we added a forms feature. Essentially, it's a way for you to build your own form. So anything that you're currently doing on paper, whether that be vehicle rig checks, inventory, daily logs, you can go into our system, just click and drag fields around, type the fields out, really easy to build, and you can allow your employees to log in to the Aladtec system and fill out that form. It'll send out email alerts when forms are completed. So we've had really good feedback. I've been asking a lot of the customers here at the show what they like about it or have they started using it yet, and everyone has said, yeah, I've started using it. A lot of people are saying they're using it for their daily rig checks. So a lot of the employees are walking around with an iPad or with their phones and they're just completing the rig check right there on their phone. Makes it much easier than doing a piece of paper, bringing it back, and then transcribing the paper into the computer. So it saves a couple steps there. So.
And that's the nice thing. You guys are completely cloud-based so that people can access it on their phone or other mobile device just as if they were going to a website and access all the features are all there.
Yep, exactly right. Really easy to use. Anything that can get on the internet, you can use our system with.
Well, Chad, I want to thank you very much for coming on and talking with us. Aladtec.com is where you can find out more information. That's going to be written right down here. And I want to thank you guys for, again, supporting us and continuing to work with us so we can get the word out about great things like the Aladtec scheduling and management system. And we'll be back soon. Remember, EMS World Expo is here in Nashville. If you're not actually here and watching us, come back next year. Make an effort to get to this show and come by and see the excellent things like Aladtec has to offer. I'm Jamie Davis, the Podmedic. We'll be back soon with more from EMS World Expo 2014. In the meantime, remember, scene safety, BSI.